The air inside your commercial space matters to your employees, your customers, and your business. Over time, dust, debris, and contaminants collect inside commercial duct systems, impacting air quality and HVAC efficiency. Businesses in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional commercial air duct cleaning services. Our experienced team services offices, medical facilities, retail spaces, schools, and industrial buildings with precision and care. We use powerful equipment to remove dust, allergens, and contaminants, improving airflow and supporting a healthier indoor environment. We work efficiently and around your schedule to minimize downtime and disruption. The result? Cleaner air, improved HVAC performance, and a more comfortable space for everyone inside. From compliance to comfort, Clean Ductwork supports your business goals. Protect your building, your system, and the people who depend on it. How often should commercial buildings schedule air duct cleaning? Most commercial properties should schedule air duct cleaning every 3 to 5 years, depending on building size, occupancy, industry type, and indoor air quality concerns. High-traffic facilities such as offices, medical buildings, restaurants, and retail spaces may benefit from more frequent cleanings. What are the signs that a commercial HVAC system needs air duct cleaning? Common signs include visible dust buildup around vents, inconsistent airflow, lingering odors, increased allergy symptoms among occupants, and higher energy bills. Does commercial air duct cleaning help reduce energy costs? Yes, removing debris and buildup from ductwork allows air to flow more freely, helping the HVAC system operate efficiently. Where is PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.